Fluffle, you can get to monetize calls you make on a daily basis. So if you watch this video to the end, you will understand why Fluffle is a voice calling app where people can talk to their friends and earn from their conversation. Fluffle is a company that specializes on training AI models with voice data. So many of these AI companies need all this voice data to interact with AI users. So what these Fluffle AI training companies does is that they make this voice data available for those AI programmers or AI creators. So because this data is purchased from Fluffle, and Fluffle have set up these call systems to be getting voice data, that's why you see they make it to be a monetized stuff. So right here you can see what they are saying. They say currently AI is trained off consented data with no reward going back to the user. So they decided to change that so that users can aim from their conversation only when they want. Also, the platform has a privacy system that helps users to be careful of the voice data or call they share. So right here they say we anonymize your personal data and remove any PLL, which could be private or personal information. So they remove all that from the call or from the voice data. And here they are saying your recordings are only shared with partners if you explicitly approved monetization after the call. If you decline, your recording is not used. And here they are saying declining has no impact on your account. You control whatever or calls you want to share out with Fluffle. So this is what they are saying here. So you might be wondering who is buying all those data. Saying that Frontier AI Labs or teams developing voice agents or other voice AI applications are buying this data to build their products to sound more human. So if you have this question on your mind, is my voice being sold? If you want to know if your voice is being sold, here they are saying no, your voice is being used to train AI to sound human rather than to recreate your voice. You understand? So if you want to know the reward splits, here they say here the split percentage is agreed upon before a call starts. Typically it is 50-50, but the person initiating the call can set a custom split. You will always see your split before approving monetization. So this is another important question people might ask: what languages are supported? So if we check here, they are saying that Fluffle supports calls in any language. When submitting a call for monetization, select language you speak. You understand? So you got to select the language you are speaking on the call in the Fluffle app. And on this last question here, they are saying, can I delete my account? Like if a user is not interested in Fluffle again, like they want to quit the account, can they delete it? So here they are saying to delete your account or request your data, please contact us via the support channel. We will process your request within 30 days. So this is what they have to say if you have all these questions in mind. And if you have more questions, you can still contact the customer support system, or you can stick on to these frequent asked questions here and see more questions that you can get answers to from here. So if you wish to explore this app, you can get it on Play Store. And also I'm going to be dropping my promo code or my link which you can use to register also on the description section. So this is their official X handle, and you can see the more updates and tweets posts from their X handle on Fluffle. So this is how the app interface looks like. You will see that to bring us to this section, if you click on this call icon here, where you can add a member with their username, or you can also invite member or invite a friend to make a call with you by clicking on this invite here. So right here they say set username above or send an invite to bring your people into Fluffle, and you can call them on Fluffle. So that's what they are saying here. And make sure you know that to approve call rewards on the platform usually takes some time before it approves. Some even take from 2 3 to 5 or 7 days before they approve it. And also you should know that unclear calls that are not clear enough, or that has background noise, or it can be hearable, will not be approved. Most of those type of calls are rejected. So those are the things I discovered about Fluffle, and I say I should also add it up, or I should also tell you about them too. So if you like this video and you are impressed on my content that I provide on this channel or on my community, please make sure you stay tuned by joining my community by subscribing, following, or liking the videos. And you can check more of my content on my channel so you can get more updates there. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate, and I'm going to be seeing you next on the next video. Stay tuned, stay safe, and stay blessed.